If you're not cooking for your family like this, there's something wrong with you. Well, today I'm gonna show you guys how to cut up some lobsters. I got this deal at Sam's Clubs. They got like 4 lobster tails. I think it was for like $30-something. Get them out. Kind of small. First thing, dip them in this water. Give it a little rinse. You want some real sharp kitchen shears. All right. Cut. All right. So the lobster tail right here, it got super pointy ass sharp things. So when you squeeze it, you want to be very careful. You could even use a towel. If you want to use a towel, a paper towel, whatever, go ahead. But you're gonna want to crack it, and then slip your fingers in through right here. Separate the lobster meat and the shell. Take it out. You can cut the corners a little bit, just a tiny bit, because you want the lobster tail to lay right on top of that shell. So pull it out, and this one's cracked, but it'll still work. Okay, pull the shell back together, lay the lobster tail right on top. You're gonna want to rinse it. I have a bucket of ice water right here to get all the shell, like the extra shells, off the lobster meat. Alright, so there you go. First one. The second one. Same thing. Let's show you again. Alright, remember, kitchen shears. Cut, cut, cut all the way through. Okay, it was here. Oh, this one's really sharp. Okay, so you can squeeze it one by one if you wanted to. You just gotta crack it so the lobster meat can separate from the shell. And then you'll be able to pull it out. Finger the lobster tail. Get it out. Take your time doing it. Separate it. See, I didn't crack it enough. That's why it's still stuck in there. So when you crack it, it separates it from these little pockets right here. And then you'll be able to pull it out. Look, the lobster tail. Wow. It's like a big old shrimp.
Put it in there, put it in there.
Dunk it in the water?
Yeah.
Alright.
Put it in the water too?
Yeah.
There's that one?
I already did that one. Okay, I'm gonna dunk it in the water to get all the extra nasty shells off.
I do it.
No.
Yeah, just try.
You wanna try? I already did it though. Okay. So here it is.
How do you get them out, Mama? I don't know how.
I had to cut it with the kitchen shears.
Mama, how do you get that out? Mama, how do you get glass out? No.
Pull it out.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's why.
I steam my lobster tails, so I'm gonna lay them in my steamer bucket. So you wanna lay your lobster tails how you want them to come out, because when you cook them, they're gonna come out looking just like this, like how it's positioned. And
Like
If you want a nice presentation, you got to set them out. Set them up right.
Yeah, and they're coming out.
Yeah.
And it's on the board.
Mm-hmm.
And it's on the wall.
Just like that.
Yeah.
I'm going to season it with some Old Bay.
Yeah. Ooh. Lobster.
Mm-hmm.
Nope,
He loves crab legs.
Now did it.
A little bit of white pepper because I'm out of black pepper.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to put some Slappy Mama seasoning on it. I have my garlic butter cooking right now.
Still on me.
Once I'm done steaming them, I'm going to throw some garlic butter on top.
Yeah.
You can't just have lobster. You got to have a surf and turf. So we're going to go with some seasoned ribeye steak. I could only fit 2, but I have 3 big ones. I don't know about you, but I sear my steaks in pork fat, which is bacon grease. Get a real good sear on both sides. Once you have a good sear on both sides, you can take it off and put it on a pan. Let it rest. Here's the third one. That's a big one. Now that they're all done searing, I got my oven preheated on 400 degrees. They're gonna bake for about 7 to 8 minutes. I got my water boiling for the lobsters. 6 to 7 minutes. Look at this juicy crab leg. Juicy lobster. My son got me saying crab legs. Damn it. I made some roasted mini potatoes with some garlic butter, some seasonings, and some Parmesan cheese to go with the steak and lobsters. I made some roasted corn with some garlic butter and some Parmesan cheese with it too.
Yeah.
Yes. Dipping sauce for the steak.
Yeah.
Hot steak. Get a wooden cutting board and let your steaks rest for a few minutes. You can save all this good juice, the au jus.
What food?
Au jus. Steak juice. So let's cut against the grain. A warm pink center. Taste test. Ooh, perfectly cooked. Look at that. Ah, that's hot. My kids are not gonna finish one whole steak. They can if they could. So I'm gonna cut it up for them. A little bit of everything. Can't forget the garlic butter on the lobster. Ooh, look at this. Get all that garlic on top. Yum. This one's Daddy's plate. Here, babe. I get the ugly plate, but it's okay. Let me cut into this lobster. Oh wait, that's the wrong side. Okay.
Mom, why are you cutting that?
Lobster, you want a bite, Cannon?
Slide.
Dip it in this sauce. I need a spicy chili sauce. Lobster? Mmm. Good. Okay.